Okay, good morning guys. We have a comment fix tab 5170. So, this is only our rules. Follow comments, never ignore unless it's totally wrong. Fix edges or topology. Okay. So, we see this disconnect. So, only to do is to connect this line. But first, we need to fix this polygon. So, first thing you to do is connect, merge this forest and road intersection or fix like that. Okay, to be precise. Then after that, do the comment. So, go to control 1 to change the image into line. Then connect this part or add. Also, you can add a road intersection category since this is a intersection. Okay, to match this other line. Just add intersection. Use is tool, spacebar, then copy this line and paste. Okay, then submit if you're done. Okay, then next ID. So same this one, only one comment, disconnected or disconnect. Then you can edit the first image, this polygon. Use S-tool to cut. Okay, cut that, then add intersection. Oh, wait. Oh no, why? It's not happening. Okay, since this is open connected right there, so we need to double cut like that. Put a road intersection, then this one, then change to control 2. You can use repair like that, repair, then add a road intersection. This one is, you need to cut this line and then change this into road intersection. Okay, try natin to control T. Road missing width. So copy. In this case, you need to copy the width of this previous line. Control C, then Control V, victory. Then Control T. And then that's just fix enough. Okay, then submit. Oh, this is not submitted. Okay, we have 3 comments. So outside polygon. Okay, let's fix this part outside polygon. So let's try to edit this. Okay, then let's go to control 1, fix this one or this one. Okay, or add point like that. Okay, that's good enough. Then width.
Yes, sir.
No, I mean the comment is boundary width.
Yes, sir. Use you told.
No, first you need to control S, then control G to generate final result. Okay,
Okay.
control G. After that, as you can see this, there's another file affair. So final result, then check this box. So the system said boundary width. So I think you need to fix with this part since the boundary is right there under the width is from here to there, it's so big. So let's press Q, then change your width, or you can go like this and change your width, then Control S to save and Control G to generate again final result, then check. So okay, or let's say, oh, let's cut this one and put it like that to make it precise or reasonable. Like that. Then you need to make another width. Control S, Control G. Then let's see. That's enough. That's a very reasonable width, right?
Okay, sir.
So let's go to another comment. So again, we need to change this. As you can see, the width is not reasonable, and the system want to that. Okay, then let's change it to like that, the width. Okay, then that's enough. It's reasonable width. So how to get width, or how to make it width, or to get width? Just simply select and press Q, letter Q in your keyboard. After you press, as you can see, the cursors became negative, positive sign, like, right? It's a plus sign. Then if you want to start to get width, you can start either side, left or right, or bottom or down, up. So you can start here. Where's the boundary? This is the boundary. Then click and drag to other side. Then space bar. Release. No space bar. Just release. Then to save your editing, just Control S and Control G to show the final result. And again, that's it. And we're done. So this map is already finished. Then submit. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Control A and submit. Next. Connect. So okay, connect. As you can see, the road is also disconnected, right? So don't connect literally like that, even though the road is not connected. Okay, you need to fix first the road. Back to Control 2. Okay, so we need to fix first the road. So let's cut this, and merge, or you can also like that, flipper. Okay, so that is good enough. Next, so same. So then back to Control 1, then we can connect this line. And that's enough. No need to get the width because the comment is only disconnected or connected. Disconnect. We need to fix only the disconnected part or disconnected line. Okay? No need to get the width because no comment for that. Get, guys? Then we can submit.
Yes.
Okay, last round. So boundary width. So the comments say boundary width. This time we need to check the width. So Control S and Control G. Then click this one, this box, final result. Let's change first with the. Okay, the width is very accurate. Let's try another. Okay. So make sure you generate a final result in line image. Don't generate in the LC image or LAN image. Okay, get it, guys? Because there is two final result, right? So only we need to get is the line result. So we can check the width because the LAN image we can see a width in that image. We only see width in this image line. Okay, yeah. You can see the image, the line is too many cutting. So let's try to fix this, change line, or we can merge. Oh, wait. We can merge first. Let's try that. Then Control T, Control G. Okay, that's very simple. If you want to get it properly, you can cut this area and get some like that, or add point to make it the center. Then Control S, Control G. Let's see. Okay, that's enough. Don't force to get the perfect width because the edges of the road is not even. As you can see, this narrow in this part is very narrow, then suddenly become wide, right? You cannot get a perfect width when you see like that road. Okay, and that's good enough. Then we submit. Okay, last 3 maps. Then disconnected again, so you can connect first the road. Okay, merge, then cut. Don't forget to add intersection because that will become in a road intersection. Then transfer to Control 1, fix this, cut. You need to cut this center line. Oh, why? Okay, right. Then change to road intersection, then add road intersection. Oh, okay. Copy this, copy the width, then paste. As you can see, there is a width already. Okay, let me see. Okay. No need to check the width because the comment is only to fix the disconnected line. Okay, but you need to fix first the LAN because you can fix the line that the road is disconnected also. You need to fix the road, right? Then submit. And next, so boundary width. So this time we need to generate final result. Oh, so I make a mistake again. So transfer first into Control 1, then generate final result. Okay, for line. Okay, as you can see, the line is very weird or not in right. So we can copy this one. So in our neighbor we see 5.6. Then in our part it's already 5.6. This is correct. And this one we need to edit this one. Okay. So let's cut. Let's delete. Okay. And cut. Then we change the width because the width is not perfect or match Okay. Then Control S, Control G. Then check. And that's good enough. No need to be perfect because our road is not even or in perfect shape. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's reasonable enough. Then submit. So disconnect again. So as I said before, you need to fix this, then next the line. Okay, so first you need to cut this, change into driveway intersection. Okay. Since this is a long driveway, this time we used to driveway intersection. Then next fix the line. So Control 1. So this is not road, so this is driveway. So we don't need use road intersection. Okay, just like that, and then pass or submit, and that's enough. Okay, submit. Oh, road barrier. Okay, so this is ours. Then move it forward and Control T, and that's perfect. That's fixed. Then submit. Last map, I did not manual the ID. I forgot to manual. Alright, as you can see, this automatic. So let me change first. Okay, disconnect again, disconnect. So to comment in the same area. Okay, and this is wrong, I think. So let's fix this. So first, let's hide the long driveway. As you can see, there is a long driveway. So we need to fix the sidewalk. Okay. We need to fix first the sidewalk. Oh. Okay. E-tool. Merge. This one, merge. Okay, that's good. Then next, change to Control 1. Then connect this to point. Put in the middle. Yeah, like that. That's good enough. We're done. So let's show all the category. F3? No F3. So let's show the. Okay, again, that's the perfect image. The comment is already done. They were connected, and then let's submit. That's very simple. Okay, do you get it, guys?